How vast do you believe the universe is? A question that has been stirring the human mind since the dawn of civilization. Our understanding of the universe's magnitude has always been elusive, and it continues to challenge the limits of our imagination. It's like trying to comprehend the number of grains of sand on a beach, but on an infinitely larger scale. Think of it this way. If our home planet Earth was the size of a marble, the universe would be large enough to hold billions upon billions of such marbles, and even then, it wouldn't be filled to the brim. It's an expanse so large that the human mind struggles to fully grasp it. We live in a fascinating universe, one that is vast beyond comprehension, filled with countless celestial bodies, each with its unique story to tell. Now that we've whetted your cosmic curiosity, let's dive into the fascinating world of planets. Planets, diverse celestial bodies orbiting stars, inhabit our universe in abundance. But what exactly is a planet? To put it simply, a planet is a celestial body that orbits around a star, is spherical in shape, and has cleared its orbit of other debris. That's a lot of cosmic jargon, so let's break it down. When we say celestial body, we're referring to any physical entity that exists in the vast expanse of space. This could be anything from a tiny meteoroid to a colossal galaxy. Now, for something to be considered a planet, it must be orbiting a star. In other words, it must be caught in a star's gravitational pull, continually circling it in a path we call an orbit. The shape of a planet is also important. It must be spherical. This is due to gravity, which pulls in all directions equally, molding the planet into a round shape. Finally, a planet must have cleared its orbit of other debris. This means that it must be the dominant gravitational force in its orbit, having swept aside or consumed any smaller bodies that once shared its path. Now, planets come in all shapes and sizes, and can be broadly categorized into a few types. There are terrestrial planets like our very own Earth, which are primarily composed of rock and metal. Then we have the gas giants such as Jupiter and Saturn, which are largely made up of hydrogen and helium. Ice giants like Uranus and Neptune have a similar composition but with a higher proportion of ices, substances like water, ammonia, and methane. Lastly, we have dwarf planets, which meet most of the criteria for being a planet, but haven't cleared their orbits of other debris. It's a diverse and fascinating cosmic family, each member with its own unique characteristics and secrets waiting to be unlocked. Now that we've grasped the basics, it's time to explore the largest planets residing in our universe. The gas giants Jupiter and Saturn reign as the largest planets in our solar system. Let's dive into the majestic world of these celestial titans. Gas giants are fascinating celestial bodies primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, much like our Sun. Their enormous sizes are mind-boggling. Jupiter, the largest of them all, can fit more than 1,000 Earths inside it. Just imagine that for a moment. Speaking of Jupiter, it is renowned for its Great Red Spot, a massive storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. This storm is so large that it's twice the size of Earth. Jupiter also boasts a strong magnetic field, creating stunning auroras at its poles, similar to our northern and southern lights. Now let's take a trip to the ringed beauty Saturn. Saturn's most distinctive feature, its spectacular ring system, is visible even from Earth with a modest telescope. The rings are made up of countless icy particles ranging in size from tiny grains to colossal chunks as big as mountains. Saturn's gaseous composition makes it incredibly light for its size. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Intriguingly, both Jupiter and Saturn have a multitude of moons. Jupiter takes the crown with a whopping 79 moons, while Saturn is not far behind with 62. Some of these moons, such as Jupiter's Europa and Saturn's Titan, are considered potential homes for extraterrestrial life due to the presence of water. These gas giants are not just larger than life in size, they're key players in the cosmic ballet. They have been instrumental in shaping our solar system, from influencing the orbits of other planets to attracting comets and asteroids, acting as shields for the inner planets. While these gas giants hold the title in our solar system, there are even larger planets out there in the cosmos. As we continue our journey, we'll delve into the realm of exoplanets, the true giants of the universe. So buckle up, and let's venture further into the cosmic unknown. Beyond our solar system, exoplanets like HD 100546b dwarf our local giants. Now, what are these exoplanets we speak of? Simply put, exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside of our own solar system. The first exoplanet was discovered in the early 90s, and since then, our understanding of these celestial bodies has grown exponentially. Exoplanets come in all shapes and sizes, from rocky planets slightly larger than Earth to gas giants that far exceed Jupiter's size. The largest known exoplanets, often referred to as superjupiters, are truly astronomical in scale. Take, for instance, HD 100546b. This gas giant is 6 times the size of Jupiter, our solar system's biggest resident. It's so big that it challenges our understanding of how planets form. But HD 100546b is not alone in the realm of giants. There's also HAT P32b, a planet about twice the size of Jupiter but incredibly lightweight, suggesting it may have a large puffy atmosphere. Then there's Kepler 13ab, the hottest known exoplanet with temperatures reaching over 3,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than some stars. The variation in these exoplanets is staggering, from their size and mass to their atmospheric conditions and orbital patterns. Some of these giants orbit their stars in a matter of days, while others take hundreds of years. Some are nestled close to their parent stars, while others are located at vast distances, floating in the cold depths of space. It's not just the size of these exoplanets that captivates us, though. These planets also offer invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems, including our own. They challenge our theories, push our technological limits, and force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. These exoplanets truly take the crown when it comes to size, but it's not just about the size that makes these planets fascinating. It's their uniqueness, their diversity, and their potential to harbor life that make them subjects of our endless curiosity. Size aside, the unique features of these celestial giants make them truly mesmerizing. Let's begin with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Its most famous feature is its Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 300 years. But did you know that Jupiter also has white ovals, similar to the Great Red Spot, but smaller? These are high-pressure systems that can last for decades or even centuries. Next, we have Saturn, recognized by its magnificent ring system, composed of ice particles and rocks. But Saturn's allure doesn't end there. It is also home to Titan, the only moon in our solar system with a dense atmosphere and stable bodies of liquid on the surface. Moving beyond our solar system, we encounter exoplanets with their own fascinating features. Take HD 189733b for instance. This gas giant, located 63 light-years away, is known for its extreme weather conditions. Imagine winds blowing at 7,000 kilometers per hour under a rain of molten glass. Yes, you heard that right, molten glass. The potential for life on these planets is another captivating aspect. Take for instance Kepler 22b, an exoplanet located 600 light-years away. It orbits within its star's habitable zone, the region where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. And let's not forget the unique physical characteristics. Consider J1407b, an exoplanet with a ring system 200 times larger than Saturn's. It's so large it's more accurately described as a ring world. These are just a few examples of the fascinating features of the largest planets. Each one tells a story, from the storms on Jupiter and the rings of Saturn, to the extreme weather of HD 189733b, the potential for life on Kepler 22b, and the colossal ring system of J1407b. Indeed, the universe is a place of unending wonder, with each planet offering a unique glimpse into the cosmos's vastness. Our journey through the universe's largest planets has been nothing short of awe-inspiring. We've marveled at the gas giants in our own solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, with their massive sizes and fascinating features. We've ventured beyond the familiar, exploring the true behemoths among exoplanets, those celestial giants that dwarf even our own gas giants. We've delved into the unique characteristics that make each of these planets both intriguing and distinct. From the scorching heat of ultra-hot Jupiters to the colossal storms on Saturn, each planet offers a glimpse into the diverse and dynamic universe we inhabit. Our cosmic journey underscores the sheer magnitude of the universe, a vast expanse teeming with celestial bodies, each with its own unique narrative. A narrative shaped by cosmic forces, time, and the intricate dance of gravity and motion. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're looking into a universe filled with celestial giants, each with its own unique story to tell.